Here we go.
You're not recording yet?
Yeah, we are. Pressure's on. This is Eric. He's going for 40 strokes.
High knees.
High knees. Woo! Ooh! Already completed 27 or 29 strokes. Oh! Oh, he's gonna beat us all! Oh! Woo! He's burning, he's red. This is Bryant Lake.
Yeah.
There's Dave.
What's up?
Say peace with it near yeah.
I'm cold.
You're cold.
Feels good though.
This is the guy's house that has a bunch of jet skis, but they're not there right now. There's like a lot of them.